Assalamu alaikum. This is Kamrun Nahar, Assistant Professor of Biology, Greenfield School and College, Dhaka. Dear students of 8th English version, how are you? I hope you are fine also and stay safe. Today is chapter 5, some important MCQ. Okay. Already I had finished this chapter in 4 lecture and my 5 lecture was some important creative question, 3 in number. Okay, 3 important creative question already I had given. Today is chapter 5, coordination and secretion. Here is some important MCQ. Okay, first one. What is the largest part of the brain? Okay, তোমার ব্রেনে সবচেয়ে বড় অংশ কোনটি? What is the largest part of the brain? Is your answer is cerebrum. Okay, which hormone is produced in leaf? Which hormone? Florizin. Okay, then number 3, which hormone initiate root formation? Okay, initiate root formation মানে মূল গজাতে কে সাহায্য করে? ওকে, হুইচ হরমোন ইনিশিয়েটস রুট ফর্মেশন? ইওর অ্যান্সার ইজ অক্সিন। ওকে, দেন নাম্বার 4, হুইচ হরমোন ইভেন্টুয়েটস স্টেম সেল? ওকে, ইভেন্টুয়েটস স্টেম সেল elongation stem cells, this is gibberellin. Okay, this answer will be gibberellin. Number 5, what is the functional unit of kidney? Functional unit of kidney is known as nephron. Please see the nephron, Nephron. Nephron is the functional unit of kidney. হ্যাঁ, তোমরা যে গতদিন ইউরিন পড়েছো, ইউরিন তৈরির ফ্যাক্টরি হলো কিডনি এবং কিডনির ভেতরে অসংখ্য থাকে এই নেফ্রন। হ্যাঁ, এই নেফ্রন কিডনির ভেতরে অনেক থাকে। আমরা তো মানুষ, আমাদের দুটো কিডনিতে একটা কিডনিতে প্রায় 10 থেকে 12 লক্ষ নেফ্রন থাকে। এই নেফ্রন হলো অনেকটা পেঁচানো টিউব লাইক স্ট্রাকচার। ওকে, curl tube like structure known as nephron. In each kidney bears 10 to 12 lakh nephron. So in your body 20 to 24 lakh nephrons. Okay, nephron produce urine. So what is the functional unit of kidney? Your answer will be nephron. Then which organs belongs to the excretory system? Excretory systemer main belongs is kidney. Okay, which organ belongs to the excretory system? That is kidney. Okay, this is kidney and kidney bears nephron. What is neurology? What is neurology? The neurology is a study of the nervous system. Okay, a study of the nervous system is known as neurology. What is neurology? A study of the nervous system. Which one transmit the nerve impulse from one neuron to? Okay, which one transmit the nerve impulse from one neuron to the other? This is synapse. Okay, you know well, synapse converted impulse. Okay, and stimulus transmitted. Then number 9, which part of the brain is called the pedicle? PEDICEL. Pedicle of the brain. Which part of the brain is called the pedicle of the brain? This is known as medulla. Medulla is called the pedicle or pedicle of the brain. Okay, which bear the brain? Same answer. This is medulla. Then number 10, what percentage of CO2 is in the air we breathe off? ঠিক আছে, আমরা নিঃশ্বাসের বায়ুতে কত % কার্বন ডাইঅক্সাইড আছে? What percent of the CO2 is in the air we breathe of? This is the answer of 4%. Okay, 4% answer. This is 4%. What percentage of nitrogen waste is okay, what percentage of nitrogen waste is excreted from, দেখো, what percentage of nitrogen waste is excreted with urine? Okay, with urine, this is 80%. Okay, how many percent? Above 80%. Okay, what percentage of nitrogen waste is excreted? What percentage of nitrogen waste is excreted with urine? This is 80%. Then your question is 80%. Number 12, which part of the brain remains almost in a hanging portion? হ্যাঙ্গিং পোর্শন, ঝুলন্ত অবস্থায় তোমার ব্রেনের কোন অংশটা আছে? ওকে, হুইচ পার্ট অফ দ্য ব্রেন রিমেন্স অলমোস্ট ইন এ হ্যাঙ্গিং পজিশন? হ্যাঁ, ইন এ হ্যাঙ্গিং পজিশনে আছে তোমার সেরিবেলাম। প্লিজ লুক অ্যাট দিস। হোয়াট ইজ দ্য লার্জেস্ট পার্ট অফ দ্য ব্রেন? দিস ইজ সেরিব্রাম। অ্যান্ড দিস ইজ which part of the brain remains almost in a hanging position? This is cerebellum. Both are different. Okay, you know that. Then which harmful substance does kidney separate from blood? Okay, which harmful substance does kidney separate from blood? কোন ক্ষতিকর পদার্থটা তোমার ব্লাড থেকে কিডনি সেপারেট করে? সেটা হচ্ছে ইউরিয়া। ওকে, ইউর অ্যান্সার উইল বি ইউরিয়া। দেন গো টু 14, হুইচ হরমোন ইজ প্রেজেন্ট ইন ফ্রুটস, ফ্লাওয়ার্স, সিডস, লিভস অ্যান্ড রুটস? ওকে, এভরিহোয়ার, fruits, flowers, seeds, leaves and roots, so everywhere. So this is ethylene. Okay, this is ethylene. Ethylene hormone is found in fruits, flowers, seeds and roots. Okay, ethylene is one kind of gaseous substance that are uses in fruit ripening. Okay, then urine one, storage in kidney. You think storage in kidney. Number 2, one type of excretory substance. Okay, number 3, 80% of nitrogen is released from body. 80% of nitrogen is released from body. Okay, here I think one is incorrect. Storage in kidney none by the product. Okay, storage not. Kidney produce urine. Okay, not storage. So your answer will be 2 and 3. Okay, another important MCQ is, please look at this. Another important MCQ is, first one, which is the color of excretor surface of cerebrum? Excretor বাইরের দিক। Okay, cerebrum, so this is grayish or gray matter. Okay, gray matter, so this is grayish color. Then go to which of the following organ belongs to excretory system? Kidney. Oh, coordination includes flowering, germination and growth. Okay, I think both 1, 2 and 3 is correct. Flowering, germination and growth, all of the above. Which of the following hormone is responsible for the formation of flowering? ঠিক আছে, formation of flowers. Which of the following hormones? This is the answer of florizin. Okay, florizin is the help of responsible for formation of flowers. Okay, this answer will be florism. Then go to the part of the brain that are connected by pons with medulla. Okay, the part of the brain that are connected by pons দিয়ে যুক্ত থাকে with medulla, cerebellum and midbrain. Both 3 is correct. Okay, here 1, 2 and 3 is correct. Plant physiology is influenced by plant physiology, hormones, light, climate. তিনটাই, হ্যাঁ দেখো, প্ল্যান্ট ফিজিওলজি ইনফ্লুয়েসড হয় হরমোন দিয়ে, লাইট দিয়ে, ক্লাইমেট দিয়ে। সো 1, 2 and 3 কারেক্ট আনসার। প্ল্যান্ট ফিজিওলজি influenced by 1, 2 and 3. Then which one help to overcome dormancy of seed? বীজের সুপ্তাবস্থা, সো জিবেরেলিন। ওকে, dormancy of seed, gibberellin. Which prevents inhibiting the process of abscission of fruit? Auxin. Okay, remember this, abscission of fruits, that is auxin. Then where produce the florism hormone? In the leaf. Okay, which one of the following is termed as the factory of urine production? Urine factory or urine production factory is known as kidney. Okay, you know that. IAA full meaning is indole acetic acid. Okay, IAA, indole acetic acid. Then go to which of the following is called the stalk of brain? Medulla. And which part of the brain controls the respiration? This is another important MCQ. Which part of the brain controls the respiration? এই যে আমরা শ্বসন করছি, বেঁচে আছি, এটা আমার ব্রেনের কোন অংশটা নিচ্ছে? Which part of the brain controls the respiration? That is medulla. Okay. Which is known as the connector of brain? This is also medulla. Pedicle of the brain, this is medulla. Okay, both are same answer. Which one is responsible for falling mango? এই যে ছোট ছোট আম পড়ে যায়, এর জন্য দায়ী কে? অক্সিন। ওকে, দেন এ স্টেম, প্লিজ বি অ্যাটেন্টিভ। মিস্টার করিম হ্যাজ এ ফ্রুট শপ। ওকে, Mr. Karim has a fruit shop. He uses one kind of chemical to ripen green fruits. Okay, he uses one kind of chemical to ripen green fruits. Okay, so first question, what is the name of the chemical? You know, the chemical of the name is ethylene. Okay, ethylene. Ethylene is used for food ripening. Mr. Karim has a fruit shop. Okay, he uses one kind of chemical to ripen green fruits. তার মানে কি, মিস্টার করিম ভালো না, সে কি করছে? সবুজ ফলগুলোকে সে কেমিক্যাল দিয়ে পাকাচ্ছে। কেমিক্যাল দিয়ে পাকানো ফ্রুটস তো ইজ হার্মফুল ফর আওয়ার হেলথ। ওকে, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য নেম অফ দ্য কেমিক্যাল? ইথিলিন। দেন অ্যানাদার কোশ্চেন, দ্য ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স অফ দিস কেমিক্যাল ইজ, এই যে ইথিলিনের ক্যারেক্টারিস্টিক্স। ওকে, the characteristics of this chemical is root grow up in cutting, found in leaves and roots, seedling gives rise to the stem of the tree. Seedling gives rise to the stem of the tree. Okay, here your answer will be 2 and 3. Okay, then another question, which is uses to prevent immature falling of mango from tree? That is auxin. Okay, then urine contain how many percentage of water? Urine contain the 95% of water. Okay, which pigment is responsible for the urine color? which pigment is responsible for the urine color that is known as urochrome. Urochrome is one kind of pigment that is responsible for urine's yellowish color. Okay. How many major part of a human brain? Major part 1. What is termed as the factory of urine production? Kidney. Okay, which of the following is called the connector of brain? Medulla. Repeated question. Okay, why neuron cell cannot divide? Why? Why neuron cell cannot divide? Because they have no centriole. Okay, why neuron cell cannot divide? Because they have no centriole. Production, fruits, oxygen. Okay, how many percentage? Which one is the excretory organ of human body? Kidney. Which one is absent in neuron cell? Centriole. Another question. Okay, repeated question. This is also repeated question. These are the important question from these impulses. Thalamus. Which of the lower part of the brain? देखो, which is the lower parts of the main part of human brain? सबसे नीचेर दिके के थाके? Thalamus and hypothalamus. Okay. Which is the lower parts of the brain part of human brain? This is called thalamus and hypothalamus. Okay. How many excretory organ of human body? How many? There are 3. Skin, skin, kidney and nose. Okay. Lung. How many excretory organ of a human body? There are 3. 3 excretory organ of a human body: skin, kidney and lung. Okay, lung, lung. Which of the following produce the sensation of the brain? Retina. Okay, your retina is situated in your eye, in your retina. Urine production, kidney, factor or factory, both are also. Okay, which one is the excretory organ of human body? That is known as kidney. What is the name of the lower part of brain? Hindbrain. What is the lower part of the brain? Medulla. Okay. Which is known as the factory of urine production? Kidney. Which one is the longest cell of the human body? Very important MCQ. Which one is the longest cell of the human body? That is neuron. Okay. Neuron is the longest cell of the human body. Okay. Why neuron cell cannot divide? Already discussed. Which one control reflex action? Which one control? Which one control reflex action? The spinal cord. Okay. Your answer will be spinal cord. Then a multiple question. Nerve cell has axon, nucleus and centriole. So your answer will be axon and nucleus, because nerve cell has no centriole. So right answer is 1 and 2. Okay, 1 and 2 is your answer. Due to which hormone internodes of the plant elongates? Internodes elongates the responsibility of gibberellin. Okay, and dormancy of seed, also the function of gibberellin. Okay, dormancy of seeds and hormone internodes of the plants elongate, that is also gibberellin. Okay, how many parts neuron is divided? 2. Neuroner first one, 2 parts, cell body and elongation. Okay, which part conduct impulse towards the cell body? Which part conduct impulse towards the cell body? The answer will be dendron. Okay, how many parts of nervous system? There are 3 parts. Which help in rewrite for wear and tear? indole acetic acid, IAA. Okay, which is the short day plant? In your textbook, only one answer, Chandramallika. Okay, which is a short day plant? Short day মানে শীতকালের, বুঝছো? Short day মানে হচ্ছে শীতকালের উদ্ভিদ, short day plant. This is Chandramallika. Which is the main part of nervous system? That is the brain. Brain is the main part of the nervous system. Who discovered the hormone auxin? Charles Darwin. Okay, responsible for ripening of food. Which is the hormone responsible for ripening of the food? Ethylene. So these are the some important creative question from this chapter, and another important question we'll discuss. My next lecture will be held chapter 13. Okay, still then, take care. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.